didn't buy it, and you didn't persuade. You persuaded nobody.
Please, Deputy.
You persuaded nobody with your codswallop of a set of proposals.
Deputies,
but if
we
I
have a
come
gallery
back,
full.
There's what we need. There's what we need, and we need 50,000 according to the ESRI. But then is how do we get there? And I've said, and I make it again, we need a Department of Finance. Everybody says we need about 20 billion of development funding for housing. At the moment, the state's spending 6 billion. Could please. Sorry.
Deputy,
if the rest of you now could start telling us how we fill in the gaps and get to the 20 billion, then we'll get to it. No, you won't happen.
Thank you,
because all you say is no to everything.
Deputy,
so
Deputy,
I would welcome an engagement with you on housing. But please, less of the misrepresentation.
Thank you, Taoiseach.
Okay, Taoiseach.
Please, Deputy, please. It's not your question. It's not your. We have a gallery full of people and we have the public watching. I'd ask for decorum to allow Deputy Batchik finish her part of the question and the Taoiseach to ensue his. Thank you. Thank you. That's quite enough, Deputy. Thank you. That's enough. Thank you.
So it seems, Ceann Comhairle, that the government and their lackeys on this side are simply going to use this any opportunity to shout down members of the opposition who are making serious points about housing. Taoiseach, you're letting yourself down. You're letting yourself down. Instead of engaging seriously with the opposition on our constructive proposals for housing, you engage simply in name-calling, suggesting we're misrepresenting things. Listen back to your housing minister just now on the radio. He said tax breaks were on the table. That's absolute statement of fact. Taoiseach, it's beneath you to say ag inch brag about members of the opposition, to accuse us of misrepresenting. You're in government. It's your job to fix the housing crisis. We in opposition offered you the opportunity for a debate last week. You didn't show up. Your housing minister didn't show up. Barely anyone from government showed up. We have another opportunity this week. The opposition are providing opportunities to debate and address the housing crisis. You're not engaging seriously.
Thank you, deputies.
With the greatest respect, Deputy, you had an opportunity to go into government, but you didn't show up. Well,
Deputy Batchik.
If I could say